Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna be showing you guys how to customize a lace. Now the way they be showing y'all on here, I don't like it, so I'm finna show y'all my way, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Now if you guys came from TikTok, I really appreciate y'all. Y'all some real supporters. And if you guys been here, y'all know y'all my day ones, and I might do a giveaway soon. I'm gonna let y'all know. Anywho, y'all, go subscribe and push that bell so y'all know next time I upload a video. So first things first, we're using BW2 bleach with 40 volume developer. This wig, I have no clue where she got this wig from. I have to do her hair in the morning. She just dropped it off for me to bleach it and customize it basically, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now, before I even get started with bleaching the knots, all I do is go get some holding spray and hot comb the hair from away from the lace so you don't bleach that hair, of course. And then you want to mix your bleach into a thick, creamy consistency, and I'm kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. I know y'all gonna ask in the comments again. No, I don't know where she got the wig from. And I usually don't measure what I put in these. Like, y'all, I'm from the hood. We just mix it until it look right. That's exactly what y'all see me doing. I'm gonna show y'all what look right. Oh, I think look right. Not even finna say what look right. But now all you want to do is you want to apply it on the lace. Y'all, be light. Listen, y'all, be light. Because if you don't, it's going to bleed through. Mine kind of did bleed through because I am heavy-handed, no lie. But you just want to try to be light as possible. Now this was a 360 frontal wig. I didn't know if she was going to want to put it up in a ponytail, so I did bleach the back part too. You don't have to do it, but I did it just in case, because I wasn't finna try to have to go back and do it in the middle of her appointment, because I got some other stuff to do. So when you're done bleaching knots on this, you just want to lay it flat, kind of like you see me doing right here. Now, boom. So this was after about 30 minutes. I honestly could have left it on there longer, but because I didn't use his hair before, I didn't want to. Like, you never know what's going to happen. Like, when you use a certain hair, you never know what's going to happen, so you want to be careful. Now, I'm going to show you guys the different ways people, like, I'm going to show y'all the way people on YouTube show you how to tone your knots. And I want y'all to see the difference between that and the way I do it. Now, y'all, comb your wigs out before you wash it, because you did see it had a little bit of tangles in it. But I can't tell this is some good hair, some bad hair, because it wasn't put in her hair and I didn't wash it correctly. But that's just washing the bleach out straight off. And then I'm finna use this purple shampoo, and I'm finna wash it one time to show y'all what it does. It still leaves a really brassy tone to your, like a really brassy orange look to your knots. How you see there, like right there, it leaves that when you just wash it with the purple shampoo. Now I'm finna, after I get done washing, I'm finna show y'all what I do. Okay, that's how it look. Literally just putting it on there and washing it out. Now, this is why I do what I do, you guys. Y'all honestly see it look orange and gold and yellow and over bleached. And yeah, so now look, what you want to do is get the purple shampoo, and like, you really want to be generous with it. Use a lot, not a lot of it, but y'all, just use a decent amount and let it sit on there. I end up letting it sit. You can let it, I usually let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I think I'm gonna let it sit for about 15, but it's really up to you. And then I'm finna come back and show you guys how it looked after I washed. Well, I'm gonna show y'all me washing it out and then how it looked after. So this is me washing it out, and I'm kind of just going through and showing you guys how it looked. Y'all can see a big difference if y'all look like in the video to now. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you came from YouTube, please subscribe. If you came from TikTok, please subscribe too. And I hope y'all comment some more videos y'all would like to see. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, y'all, I be trying to find some of the videos y'all be wanting. I know on TikTok a lot of y'all be asking me how did I bleach and tone my knots, and this is how. And I might insert a picture of how it looked after I was finished. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe.